welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty, and today we are unboxing the premium Valentine's Day mystery box from Jeffree Star. This box was $60. It contains 4 items and 3 are exclusive. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I see in this box is a beanie. It's a red beanie. And it has the Jeffree Star logo plus Jeffree Star in candy hearts on it. Super, super cute. The second item in here is the gloss in Succulent. I'm guessing this is the second exclusive in this box. Oh! Whoa, okay, so it's like pink with blue glitter in it. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put it on my lips. I'm not even a gloss girl, but if it's Jeffree, I'm good. It smells like candy. So the third exclusive is a pop socket, which, you know, I'm kind of bummed out about because I don't need another pop socket because I have so many from his other mystery boxes, but I'm not gonna complain because it was only 60 bucks. And the last item is my favorite thing from Jeffree Star Cosmetics ever. I do have my own alien palette. However, this is literally no longer in existence anymore. I just want to see if it's not broken. Fingers crossed, because I really want to put this in a giveaway. Okay, so the black is a little destroyed, but it's not like terrible. Let's look. So that's a little, you know, not awesome, because I'd rather give like a perfect palette away. But if you guys don't mind me putting this palette in a giveaway, please let me know down below in the comments, because I am still doing my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. But that was everything that was in my box. I definitely do think that these things were worth it. However, I am a little bummed out about the pop socket and the fact that my alien came a little smashed on the black. But please, again, let me know if y'all mind me putting that in my 3,000 giveaway. If not, I'll just put it up on Poshmark. No big deal. But that is all I have for y'all today. I'll see you soon whenever I get my other 2 mystery boxes, and I'll possibly have more things for a giveaway because I have so much Jeffree Star Cosmetics that it's literally so hard for me to get repeats. So, I don't know. But stay tuned. Have a great day or night wherever you're in the world. Bye-bye.